Ground fault circuit interrupter protection is required on all radiant cable heating systems according to the National Electrical Code. National Electrical Code Article 424, Electric Radiant Heating Systems, Section 424.1, Scope, covers the installation of fixed electric radiant heating systems, including cables, mats, and panels. Section 424.11, General, states that all radiant heating systems must be installed in accordance with this article and Article 422, Appliances. Ground fault circuit interrupter protection must be provided for all radiant heating systems. Radiant cable heat is considered a fixed appliance and therefore subject to ground fault circuit interrupter protection. Ground fault circuit interrupters detect small leaks of electrical current to ground and trip the circuit to prevent shock hazards. Ground fault circuit interrupters can be integrated into the circuit breaker panel or installed as outlets. The ground fault circuit interrupter device should be installed on the line side of the radiant heating system circuit. The ground fault circuit interrupter should be tested regularly to ensure proper operation. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper installation and testing of the radiant heating system. The location of the ground fault circuit interrupter outlet may vary depending on the layout of the installation. It is essential to consult with an electrician for professional guidance in adherence to local electrical codes. When installing radiant cable heat under ceramic tile or other floor coverings, understanding the requirements for overcurrent protection, especially ground fault circuit interrupter protection, is important for safety and code compliance. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines to ensure that these systems are installed safely and effectively. Article 424 of the NEC is dedicated to electric radiant heating systems. This article outlines the requirements for the installation of fixed electric radiant heating systems, including cables, mats, and panels. Section 424.1 specifies that the article covers all aspects of these systems. Section 424.11, titled General, is a critical part of this article. It mandates that all radiant heating systems must be installed according to Article 424 and Article 422, which covers appliances. More importantly, it explicitly states that ground fault circuit interrupter protection must be provided for all radiant heating systems. This requirement is in place to protect against electrical shock hazards. Radiant cable heat is categorized as a fixed appliance under the NEC. This classification means it is subject to the safety standards and protection measures applicable to appliances, including the requirement for ground fault circuit interrupter protection. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to detect small leaks of electrical current to ground. These leaks, if undetected, can pose a significant shock hazard. When a ground fault circuit interrupter detects such a leak, it trips the circuit, cutting off the power and preventing potential injury. Ground fault circuit interrupters can be installed in several ways. Firstly, they can be integrated directly into the circuit breaker panel. This approach provides protection for the entire circuit. Secondly, it can be installed as outlets offering localized protection at the point of use. When installing radiant heating systems, the ground fault circuit interrupter device must be placed on the line side of the radiant heating system circuit. This placement ensures that the entire heating system is protected by the ground fault circuit interrupter. After installation, the ground fault circuit interrupter should be tested regularly to ensure it is functioning correctly. Most ground fault circuit interrupters have a test button that simulates a ground fault, allowing you to verify that the device trips as expected. It is crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the proper installation and testing of the radiant heating system and the ground fault circuit interrupter. These instructions provide detailed guidance on how to install the system safely and effectively, ensuring it meets all applicable codes and standards. The exact location of the ground fault circuit interrupter outlet can vary depending on the specific layout of the installation. It is important to consider accessibility and convenience when choosing a location. Given the complexities of electrical installations and the importance of safety, it is advisable to consult with a qualified electrician for professional guidance. An electrician can ensure that the installation complies with all local electrical codes and that the system is installed safely and correctly.